This is the GC313 CORE GO from AVerMedia. It's a 4-in-1 USB charging hub, but it's more than just a charger, because this can also do data transfer. How exciting can a charging brick really be, right? Trust me though, if you're someone who's always on the move, you're really gonna like this charger. So let's just jump right in and see what this is about. This is a 100-watt GAN charging dock with PD 3.0 fast charge that can power up to 3 devices simultaneously. For reference, it can charge my iPhone 15 Pro Max from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. When charging multiple devices, the power is allocated depending on which ports you use. When using both USB-C ports, you'll get a max output of 45 watts from each port. Alright, with that Rice is done. Alright, with that out of the way, what makes this unique from other chargers is the fact that it can be used as a data transfer. The HDMI port here lets you connect devices to a TV or external display and supports up to 4K 60. Let me show you how it works. Here's my Nintendo Switch. When I'm traveling with it, I don't want to bring the big dock with me, and this charger eliminates the need for it. Just plug the Switch into the top USB-C port, and then connect an HDMI cable from the charger to your monitor. And that's it. You'll have to plug the charger into an outlet for this to work with the devices like the Switch. But for some things like my iPhone, I can display it on my monitor without needing to have the charger plugged in. There's another use for this charger too, because it can also be used as a hub for your laptop. So when you're out, you can use this charger to power your laptop obviously, but you can also use it to connect other stuff to it like external drives or webcams. The best part about this is if you want to use it as just a hub, you don't even need to have it plugged into an outlet to work. This thing is pretty small for what it is. Here it is compared to my MacBook Pro charger. It is a little bit thicker, but overall it still comes in a smaller package. On the back of the charger is the flip out prongs. It's a Type A, which you'll typically find around the US and other places, but it also comes with 2 plug adapters, a Type C and a Type G. These are nice because they just slip over the prongs on the charger and lock into place. Oh yeah, it comes with a 100-watt USB-C cable too. And finally, the CORE GO GC313 is also equipped with overload protection features to safeguard against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating. This is the perfect travel charger. Yeah, I said it. But seriously, it's powerful enough to charge my laptop and all my camera gear, and the fact that it can be used as a data transfer hub too is pretty awesome. I'm definitely going to be adding this to my travel bag. I'm probably going to pick up a second one for my everyday bag too, because this thing is just so useful. Oh, there's actually a higher end version of this charger, the GC313 Pro Elite Go. That does everything that this one does, but can also be used as a capture card. We'll have to check that out next time. See ya.